The Mercedes-AMG GT and the Audi R8 are two of the most popular high-performance sports cars on the market. We will compare the two cars in terms of engine and performance, handling and dynamics, interior and features, and price. Both cars offer stunning looks, impressive performance, and luxurious interiors. However, there are some key differences between the two cars that may make one a better choice for you than the other. The Mercedes-AMG GT is powered by a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine that produces up to 523 horsepower and 494 lb-ft of torque. The Audi R8 is powered by a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine that produces up to 563 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque. In terms of performance, the Audi R8 is slightly quicker, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 3.3 seconds, compared to the Mercedes-AMG GT's 3.6 seconds. However, the Mercedes-AMG GT has a higher top speed of 190 miles per hour compared to the Audi R8's 187 miles per hour. The Mercedes-AMG GT is a front-engine, rear-wheel drive car, while the Audi R8 is a mid-engine, all-wheel drive car. This difference in engine placement gives the Audi R8 a significant advantage in terms of handling and dynamics. The R8 is more agile and feels more balanced than the AMG GT, especially when cornering at high speeds. The Mercedes-AMG GT has a more luxurious interior than the Audi R8. The AMG GT's cabin is finished with higher quality materials and has more features such as a Bang & Olufsen sound system and a panoramic sunroof. The Audi R8's interior is more focused on performance. The seats are more supportive and the controls are more driver-oriented. The R8 also has a larger cargo area than the AMG GT. The Mercedes-AMG GT is more expensive than the Audi R8. The AMG GT starts at $107,100, while the R8 starts at $91,100. The Mercedes-AMG GT and the Audi R8 are both excellent sports cars. The AMG GT is more luxurious and comfortable, while the R8 is more agile and focused on performance. Ultimately, the best car for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. Which car would you choose? I hope you enjoyed this comparison of the Mercedes-AMG GT and the Audi R8. If you're interested in learning more about either of these cars, please check out the links in the description below. Thanks for your support.